Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable auto game detection in Logitech G-Hub for your G512 X keyboard. To do that, you're gonna have to open the G-Hub application, then select games first. Now here you're gonna have to synchronize your games. If it's the first time you're in this menu, you're gonna have to let this application detect all your games. And after that, go back to devices, expand the list of profiles, go to manage profiles. Now we're gonna have to add some game profiles to this menu by clicking add games and apps, and select your games, click add, and after that you're gonna be able to create new profiles in games and customize your profiles according to your preferences. Once you are done, enable this profile switching, and whenever you enter this game, your profile will automatically switch to the game profile. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.